Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. How to air dry clothes and linens for fresh, long lasting laundry. Okay, I'll step up to the plate. I do this. I've been doing this for so long, I can't even remember how many years I've been doing it. But I'm in an environment where I can do this effectively. I'm in California. And yeah, the weather permits this, but in some parts of the country, you're not going to be able to do this, or you're going to only be able to do it on a seasonal basis. With that being said, how to air dry clothes and linens for fresh, long-lasting laundry. Switching from a dryer to air drying clothes is an easy way to cut energy costs and extend the life of your fabrics. Dryers generate heat and friction that breaks down fibers, leading to shrinkage, fading, and wear. By letting garments dry naturally, you can keep them looking and feeling better for longer. If you're new to air drying, here's how to do it effectively, whether indoors or outside. Benefit of air drying clothes: lower utility bills. Electric dryers account for about 6% of household energy use. Air drying can significantly cut your electricity costs. Better for the environment: the average household can reduce carbon emissions by 2,400 pounds per year by skipping the dryer. Longer lasting clothes: heat and tumbling weakens fibers, causing shrinkage and lint buildup. Air drying preserves fabric structure and extends garment life. Fresh, natural scents: clothes dried outdoors develop a crisp, fresh smell that no artificial detergents can replicate. Now be careful here, because if you're in an environment, or if it's just a part of the year, your drying is going to, for example, in a high pollen season, your clothes are going to absorb whatever is in the air on that particular day. Air drying best practices: do keep the drying area clean. Before hanging laundry, wipe down your outdoor clothesline to remove dirt and bird droppings. Indoors, make sure drying racks are free of dust and lint. Store clothespins in a bag to prevent rust stains on clothes. Don't hang laundry on high pollen or rainy days. Check the weather before drying outdoors. Pollen can cling to fabrics, which may be a problem for allergy sufferers. If pollen counts are high or rain is in the forecast, opt for indoor drying instead. Do hang large items first. Sheets and towels should go up first to maximize space. Leave small gaps between items to improve airflow and speed up drying. Don't hang heavy knits or sweaters. Knitted fabrics can stretch if hung on a line. Instead, lay them flat on a mesh drying rack, flipping them occasionally to ensure even drying. Do shake out clothes before hanging. Giving garments a quick shake before hanging prevents stiffness and reduces wrinkles. Smooth out collars, cuffs, and hems for a neater finish. Don't forget to use a fan indoors. If drying inside, using a ceiling fan or a small portable fan to improve airflow. This helps moisture evaporate faster, preventing musty odors. How to properly hang different types of clothes? Pants: clip by the hem to let the waistband pull out wrinkles naturally. T-shirts and knits hang upside down by the hem to avoid stretching the shoulders. Button-down shirts: these hangers are clipped by the bottom hem for fewer wrinkles. Socks and underwear hang freely to maximize space. Sheets and towels pin corners to the line and flip halfway through drying. Sunlight: a friend and foe. Do use direct sunlight to naturally whiten whites and kill bacteria. Don't dry bright or dark fabrics in full sun, as it causes fading. Instead, hang them in a shaded area with good airflow. Air drying mistakes to avoid: don't air dry down jackets or comforters. Down clumps when drying naturally. Use a dryer with tennis balls to maintain fluffiness. Don't leave clothes outside overnight. Moisture from evening can leave clothes damp and musty. Don't pack clothes into a laundry basket after drying. Fold them immediately to prevent wrinkles. Final tips for fast drying: start early in the day to take advantage of the sun. Blot excess water from towels before hanging to reduce drying time. Use plastic hangers for delicate fabrics to prevent stretching and rust stains. Switching to air drying takes a little effort but offers big rewards in energy savings, fabric longevity, and fresh smelling laundry. With these steps, your clothes will dry effectively and stay in top condition. No dryer needed. Everyone will have their own approach, their own method to drying clothes. Leave your tips, any hints, any helpful advice for newbies. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.